How to add email in Telegram. First of all, open up your Telegram. Now at the top left corner, tap on the three lines. Now go to settings. Now select privacy and security. Now tap on login email. Now enter your email. Now tap on arrow icon. Now tap on arrow icon. Now go back to your home screen. Now open up your mail. Now copy the code and go back to your Telegram and paste the code there. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.